My name is Omar Vasquez and this is Paris, France.
I always thought of France as this one country where people eat croissants, ride bikes, where people wear scarves and it's always sunny. I was wrong about the last one. But even in this cold weather, I feel that a bad day in Paris is still better than a good day anywhere else. So I decided to come to the place on the very top of my bucket list.
Au revoir. Okay, I'm trying to check in, but because our request kind of like a special room, it's gonna be a while. That's how friends in French sound like. Perfect tea.
We couldn't come to Paris without seeing the iconic Louvre, the epitome of art and architecture that I always dream of seeing. Okay, not really, but I love seeing it in the Da Vinci Code.
We came to the Louvre. We're about to get in. It's starting to rain, so perfect timing. I just found out that they keep the Mona Lisa here. I, for the longest time, thought it was in Italy, so we're gonna go see it. That way. I think it's all the way. It's right there. We finally made it. We're here. Yes, that is the Mona Lisa. So this is the most crowded exhibit of the entire area. There's even one person guarding it.
I don't know much about all the history behind all the famous landmarks in France, but I always been a sucker for movies filmed in Paris. I can probably recognize all of them from at least one movie.
We're in the perfect weather condition. Actually, no, it sucks. It's raining and it's really windy. But that's the Notre Dame Palace, or what is it, Cathedral? That's the Notre Dame Cathedral from the movie. Inside the Notre Dame Cathedral, but we're not allowed to. Anyways, you're supposed to be really quiet in here. But people are talking now. People are talking.
Silence, please.
Is that why they buried the Pope? I don't know, but it's really creepy.
Why? Can I go this way?
The weather got better slightly, at least it's not raining that much. I was trying to go up, but we couldn't because I don't see anybody up. I mean, it's kind of dangerous too, probably, but. Couldn't leave without seeing the Arc de Triomphe. How many stairs were there? I'm all winded. Okay, so we're here at the top of the Arc de Triomphe. And it's so high. He doesn't look that high from the bottom, but it's because it's really wide. I don't know what's going on. French picture is here.
I feel like through the movies, I've been in Paris, and as an aspiring filmmaker, visiting the locations where they were shot seemed to be the proper way of seeing the city.
So that's from the movie Inception, right? Is that what you said? Let's jaywalk.
Very impressive.
Let's select or what?
Do you speak French?
Yeah, okay. Tutu or la tutuboa?
No.
Whatever. You can actually get beer in these McDonald's. Thank you. Yes, we came to to a McDonald's right here in France.
Ah, this is much better. Okay, yes. We went to a McDonald's earlier, but we couldn't leave the country without eating in a traditional French restaurant. And of course, I had to order the most exotic dish in the entire place.
Taste the meat on this. All of this is raw. This is raw. Obviously, the French fries are fried. They don't call it French fries here. They probably just call it fries. But it's just like the texture of this meat is very soft. Well, anyways, this is that type of meat. It was really good. I like it. Thank you. Have a good night. I've never ate raw meat before like that. It was a nice experience. Thanks to Katie. She picked the restaurant. And it took her like 5 minutes to actually pick a place.
So you were no help.
Because I wasn't even hungry.
All your little comments.
I wasn't even hungry.
As I sit alone in the streets of France while illegally flying a drone over the city, I am so sorry about that. I started to realize that my time in these most iconic cities is coming to an end. I can finally put a checkmark on that bucket list. And while my time in here has been quite an experience because of all the countries I still haven't visited, I don't think I'll have a chance to come back. But while I still have some time left before my flight leaves, I'll just stare at the Eiffel Tower a bit longer.
So that was Paris for you. Till next time. Go on my closing.
I wasn't even in it. No, I'm not.
Not on the closing.
I'm just like in the background.